welcome yet to another video. As you guys can see, today we are cooking Dombolo. In other words, it's steam bread.
Steam bread.
And what is it called? Curried vors.
Yeah.
I've never done a curried vors before, but I'm gonna try today. And if you guys like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you guys want us to do anything else. Sorry for the crust, we look horrible. It's literally been just a lazy day. Alrighty guys, enjoy. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna just start off with the steam bread. This bread we bought from Checkers, right babe?
Yeah.
We bought from Checkers. It was pre-done and everything for us, so yeah.
Just put in a pot.
Just put in a pot, add some water, and then let it steam. And then over here is some sausage. We're just gonna fry it up for a few minutes. I guess you can fry this up for like, I don't know, until it browns.
Yeah, until it browns.
Because even if it's not fully cooked, like it still does the job. So yeah. Well,
no, it needs to be fully cooked.
no, it doesn't have to be, because if you chop it up, we're gonna chop it up at the end and then let it continue on cooking.
Oh, okay.
You'll just see as it goes.
Yeah.
So here we're just making sure that all the sides are browned up and ready to go.
What sausages were these?
Beef sausages.
Oh.
Yeah. Also got it from Checkers, by the way.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go. 3/4.
Yeah. So what I'm doing here is just taking them out of the pot so they can just rest a little bit. So when we cut them up, not all of the juices come out. And then here, some onion.
You gotta braise your onions, yo.
Yeah, braise the onions. It's onions, peppers, and
Curry
those leaves over there are some curry leaves. We're gonna add them a little bit later.
Yeah. We have our own curry leaf tree. Those are not from Checkers.
Thanks to your mom. We have curry leaves, we have chili, and all of that good stuff.
Then you add cholesterol.
So what I did here, I just added just a little bit of oil because we left over all the juices from the sausages. So just to give it a little bit of flavor.
And what's that?
That is curry powder. That's curry powder straight from Durban. I guess you guys can use whatever curry powder you guys have. But yeah, this one is straight from Durban. We just let that fry just a little bit. You don't want to burn the spice. So I just added the tomatoes that I diced up just to allow it just to cook a little bit better, because I didn't want to burn. I didn't want to burn the spice.
Yes, tomato comes with water. Sorry.
Yeah.
Lots of water.
But you added some water there, just a little bit of water.
Yeah.
Just to make it saucy.
Oh, and some more tomatoes.
Yeah. So I added that tomato paste just to give it like more tomato flavor. I don't know if that makes sense. I really like tomato, so that's
Cuts down the spice as well.
Yeah.
Ah.
So after a few minutes, obviously you just check up on your dombolo. Some people might say steam bread. So I just put in the knife just to make sure that there's no dough coming out. A little dough came out, that's why I just left it in there a little bit longer. And like I said earlier, I'm gonna cut up all of these sausages. As you can see, they're cutting and there's not a lot of juices coming out, which is what I wanted. We don't want dry sausage. See Jared helping me over there, just handing me over the plate.
Yeah, that's all you need to do, man.
So there's a part that I didn't really add. I put in a little bit of sugar, so just to balance out the acidicness of the... Is that how you say it, babe?
I don't know.
Acidicness of the tomato.
Acidicness. Doesn't sound right.
It doesn't. Alrighty guys, so this is the end result. I hope you guys really liked this video because me and Jared definitely went in on this meal. If you guys like this video, make sure you comment down below. But our post notification shout out goes to Fortune Shabalala. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.
Bye.